Are you tired of feeling anxious every time you visit a dental clinic? You are not alone. But what if I told you that getting the smile of your dreams shouldn't be a stressful experience? Hi, I'm Dr. Veena, General Dental Surgeon at ASHIRVAD Dental Clinic, KUDUR, Bangalore South District. I have been practicing dentistry from past 10 years, and my biggest mission is to flip the script how a typical dental visit feels like. I have always loved the blend of art and medicine, which is what drew me to dentistry. But I love my job the most as I watch my patient who was hiding a smile confidently walk out of my clinic with a brave smile. Here at Ashirvad Dental Clinic, we focus on creating a calm, judgment free environment using the latest technology. Whether you need a routine dental checkup or cosmetic treatments like teeth replacements with PFM or zirconia crowns, we put your comfort first. If you're looking for a dentist who actually listens, do like and subscribe to the channel to Talk Studio, where I'll be sharing regularly tips and tricks and clinical cases about dentistry. Thanks for watching.